This is Tecno Spark Go, and today I will quickly show how you can confirm the authenticity of this device. So first you will need to launch settings and find the email number specifications, which are available if you'll go for the My Phone category. Then open the More Information, Phone Information, and here are both email numbers that are assigned on your phone. Then try copying them. If it is not possible, well, that's fine, just leave the page to sit at the list of recent apps, then launch whatever web browser app you prefer using and go for the email.info website. So the URL is, as I've already said, it's going to be email.info. Then over here you have this text field that you can use. So, well, I guess we'll have to manually input the email number over here. So let me just quickly do that off the camera so I can speed up this whole process. Once the email number was successfully entered, you will need to perform the CAPTCHA check. Then here I gotta select the plant pictures. I guess that's about it. Then hit the check button over here and correspond with the, compare the specifications that are listed over here with the ones that your phone actually has. And well, as long as they correspond, you may be 100% certain that you're indeed an owner of the original Tecno Spark Go device. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.